Ready to master SASE with Prisma Access? In this video, we'll explore the EDU-318 course by Palo Alto Networks, your guide to securing hybrid and remote environments with advanced SASE principles. Hybrid work has transformed how we operate, but it's introduced new security challenges. Prisma Access is the solution, providing a unified cloud-based approach to protect distributed teams and networks. EDU-318 is a 4-day instructor-led course designed to help security professionals deploy Prisma Access effectively. You'll gain skills to secure applications, remote users, and networks with ease. To excel in this advanced course, prior completion of EDU-210 and EDU-220 is recommended. These foundational courses prepare you with firewall and panorama management essentials. Delivered by authorized training partners like Datacipher, EDU-318 offers flexible learning options. Choose virtual or in-person classes based on your schedule and learning preference. Throughout 14 modules, you'll cover everything from Prisma Access architecture to advanced features like ADEM. Each module builds expertise to tackle real-world SASE challenges. Hands-on labs and comprehensive guides are included to ensure practical learning. You'll leave this course with the skills to deploy and manage Prisma Access confidently. Certifications like PCSNE and PCCSE are excellent next steps after EDU-318. They validate your skills and open doors to advanced roles in network security. Datacipher is a trusted Palo Alto Networks authorized training partner with over a decade of experience. Their expert instructors, hands-on labs, and flexible virtual and in-person options make mastering Prisma Access seamless and effective. Ready to elevate your expertise? Contact Datacipher today to enroll in the Prisma Access EDU-318 course and take your SASE skills to the next level. Let's secure the future together.